Hi guys, this is K. Raghavish from Group 360. Today I am going to present Joyverse, a platform where we built to empower young minds to conquer dyslexia using technology, creativity, and empathy. This project blends real-time emotion detection using interactive games and an inclusive design to help dyslexic children learn joyfully. Joyverse. What is Joyverse? Joyverse is more than just a game. It's a supportive learning space. At its core, we have a word unscrambling drag and drop game. For example, child turn GDO into DOG. But what makes it unique is how it responds to the game child's emotion in real time. If a child is happy, the screen switches to the sunny theme, and animals like dog they wag their tails. If the child seems sad, the gently switches to soothing blue, which calming animations. This emotional feedback loop creates a safe and encouraging space. Our key features include emotion-driven UI with animated animal reactions, real-time sync between the children and admins using socket.io, admin dashboards that show live emotion and performance graphs, and a secure login system with a role-based access, child, super admin, and therapist. And the key learnings that shaped us are this project helped us learn deeply about emotion detection using MediaPipe and PyTorch, creating inclusive UX with dyslexia-friendly fonts, spacings, and colors, securing our app with JWT-based role-based authentication and authorization, and optimizing real-time interactions between the different systems. Milestone triumphs. Some milestones we are proud of are a working drag and drop game, real-time emotion detection using connected to the game, live dashboard for admins and therapists, and bonus features like confetti celebrations for correct answers and animal animations tied to emotions. And the hurdles we overcame. We had our fair share of bugs and blockers. MediaPipe landmark mismatches with which we fixed by reshaping input to 468 by 3, emotion detection delays solved by optimizing our Flask backend, socket.io cause issues fixed with proper headers, accessibility tuning, multiple UX iterations, and integration friction between React Express and Flask, which we resolved with careful backend coordination. By emotion transformer. We built a custom transformer model in PyTorch called emotion transformer. It takes in facial landmarks and processes them sequentially. Why? Because emotions evolve over time and transformers are great at recognizing patterns. It's fast, accurate, and lightweight, enough to run on local machines. Deployment strategy. We deployed first on local servers, Node.js on port 3000, Flask on 5000, and MongoDB for database. This allowed us to quickly test the full emotion animation loop. Next, we plan to move to cloud platforms like AWS or GCP. To ensure consistency, we are containerizing everything with Docker and adding nginx as a reverse proxy. Future vision. That journey doesn't stop here. Next, we want to add more literacy games like phonics and sentence building, use emotion detection to auto adjust game difficulty, launch mobile versions for learning on the go, integrate with schools and therapists, improve the emotion transformer model with more diverse faces, and gamify process with badges and animated animal friends. And here are some screenshots from the game. We can see the interactive UI, the emotion based theme changes, and the admin dashboard tracking emotional trends live. We also have a full demo showing these in action. That's Joyverse, a heartfelt project blending machine learning, game design, and empathy to create real change for kids with dyslexia. We believe learning should be joyful, adaptive, and inclusive. And now we will continue to the project demo.
I have already started the front end, back end, and AI model servers, and we will move to super admin login so that we can create or do anything to admins. First, here I can register an admin. For example, just any random email address and password. Register an admin. Okay, sorry, I have already used this email ID so that the admin registered successfully. Here I can see the admins here, and I will copy this. Here I can update the admin, like enable or disable the admin, or even delete the admin and all. Now I will log out and I will log in admin as admin, and I get password test login. Here I can register a child and see the list of children registered by the particular admin, and update the particular child's enable or disable the child, etc. Same as the super admin. For example, test 1. Here I can give a password to the child so that he should remember while he login. For example, we will give 789 register list of children. Okay, 0. These all are these all should be definitely exclusive. The user ID 789 is already used in another admin maybe, so that it can't be stored like this. So I have changed the user ID. Here I can update the child's details and reset password, deactivate the child, also delete the child, and here I can see the reports. For now there are no reports because the child did not play anything. So we will log in as child. The name is test1 and 789 780. First we will log out here 789 780. Welcome to the game. Okay, we should enable the camera permission so that it can capture change according to the emotions. Here I am logging now. The color, the theme of the game changes, and that's it. Here you can exit here itself. Now log in as admin again. Here the list of children. I can see the reports now because I just played the game. The happy emotions are 3 times and disgust got 5 times. And here the reports, how many questions I have answered correctly, etc. Now we will see the code. These are the schema, MongoDB schema we have designed for the storage of details, and we are running all the admin child super admin routes from here only, and the routes are admin.js, which is used to run the login and registration and every operation in the admin panel. And here in child.js we are maintaining the login of the children and the playing of game and everything. And the superadmin.js is used to control or create or delete or do any operation on admins. And AI model, this is the train.py code which is used when run. It will directly generate a Python model, and the app.py is used to use the model generated by the train.py. In the front end, coming to the front end, all styles of different React pages are here. And coming to the components, admin.jsx, you can see the admin panel React page. And coming to the game.jsx, in this dictionary, you can find the color according to the emotion. Whenever the detected emotion is happy, the color changes, background the theme changes to this color. Whenever the sad, the theme changes to this color, respectively. For the emotion detection, we have used this code where it contains media pipe, face mesh, and all, which extract the landmarks from the face using camera. And here superadmin.jsx used to register and delete, update the admins and the list of admins and all. In superadmin login and admin login, we have separately designed web pages, and for every route we have used JWT so that whenever somebody logged in only, then only he can do some any changes, else anything won't work. We are planning to add.
Thank you.